everybody. My name's Rob Anderson. I'm a Las Vegas illusionist, and I am here with Mike and Haley. We are about to do a little bit of romantic magic for this couple out here on the strip tonight. First question though, how long have you two been together?
3.5 years.
It's great, 3.5 years together, that's good. So about 3.5 years ago, you guys went out on some of your first dates, got to know each other, realized you liked each other, held hands, said, hey, you want to do this again? She said, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to take.
That'll work.
Here we are. I want to take you guys back to your first dates with our first trick, okay?
Okay.
You're going to hold a card in just a second. I've got the two of clubs. Mike, you're going to hold a hand out just like this. Haley, you're going to put your hand on top of the two in Mike's hand, just so you're kind of holding hands with him there. That's perfect, just like that. Remember those first dates? Felt some love.
Yes.
You're gonna
Felt the connection.
Felt the connection. You're feeling the connection right now. I've got the 9 of hearts. We're going to use that in just a second. You felt the connection back then. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you feel that?
I sure did.
Did you feel that?
Oh.
Oh, look what you have. Look. You got the hearts for our couple.
Not bad.
The hearts. It's a good card for you to have, see? I need it back. It's a good card for you. Yeah, thank you. Well, I actually made a prediction. Before I came out here, I predicted I would meet a very compatible couple. I made that prediction on 4 other cards that I took out of the deck earlier. They are queens. There's something different about one of them. I don't want you to think it's sleight of hand though, so I'd like you to hold the cards. Haley, could you cup the cards just like I have them with one hand? Freeze just perfect, just like that. Again, you're holding queens. This is a 2-part trick having to do with your compatibility. You're gonna do great. You're gonna go first, Mike, okay?
All right.
Mike chose the red cards, hearts and diamonds for you, Haley. Which one would you like, the heart or the diamond?
Heart.
Heart, it's a good choice. The heart over the diamond, love over money. Haley's a keeper.
Yep.
She's a keeper. Look, I predicted one card. The card I predicted was actually the Queen of Hearts
Wow.
for our compatible couple, which I took from a totally different deck of cards. Thank you. Well, they're so compatible. They made it work. I didn't even bring anything else except the hearts. That's all you were holding the entire time was just the hearts. Very good couple. Look at these two. Great couple here. Let's do a grand finale. You're gonna help me out, Haley. I'd like you to just think of a happy memory that you shared with Mike. Could be anything. I won't try to guess it or say what it is. I just want you to think of a happy memory you've spent with this guy right here, okay? And when you've got that memory in mind, I want you to think approximately what time it was when that memory happened. Just like 1 through 12 o'clock to the nearest hour. Just 1 through 12 on the clock. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I know you're thinking of one of the hours on this clock. My job is to figure out what hour that is. I'm gonna read your mind. Are you ready? All right. My reading's not real, I can't do that, but I'm actually going to use just a little bit of psychology to figure out what time this is, okay? You looked at the clock in a certain area. I'm going to eliminate some of the cards. You gave sort of a tell, sort of like a poker player. I know it's either low or high. Don't say, just think. It's either low or high. I'm going to eliminate low. It's not a low card, is it? It's not 1 through 6, correct? We don't need these cards, not 1 through 6. That's interesting because you were so quick doing that, it could have been. High-powered my reading. All right, now I've got to narrow it down even more. Because this memory with Mike was either 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12 o'clock. Not 12 o'clock, correct?
Nope.
All right. I'm going to commit to this now. Haley, I believe your memory with Mike must have happened. I believe this memory happened at 8 o'clock, is that correct? 8 o'clock. We don't need the other cards. Well, as that concludes the magic show, I just want you to always remember your happy times you spent together as you take this 8 o'clock card as your souvenir as you go home tonight. And I'll leave it with you guys, and I'll show it to, oh, that is a good card, Mike. That's good. Mike, tell you what, when you're ready, I'll let you finish up here and show what that card is, okay?
You're lying. Stop.
I love you with all my heart, and I want to spend forever with you. So will you marry me?
Oh my God.